Hey guys, I'm Tree and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna explain you how to record OBS with your GPU instead of your CPU. So I have an older CPU, which is the i7 6700 series. And because it's a bit older, sometimes the games drop frames pretty badly when I am streaming. And therefore I'm using my GPU, which is a 1080, to record my OBS. So, well, there's a lot more space for my PC to run better graphics, better FPS. This might not be the case for you. If you have an i9, I would say just run OBS normally, but if you, like me, have an older CPU but a great GPU, I would recommend running OBS through your GPU, and I'm gonna explain how you do that right now. So first thing you want to do is go here to settings. This screen will pop up. And what you need to do is go to output, and then here it says streaming encoder. And normally it will say software, which is your CPU, and you can switch it to hardware, which is your GPU. So if you have a better GPU than a CPU, I recommend setting it on this setting, hardware, and if you have a better CPU, I would say set it on software. This is the same page where you can determine the bitrate and the audio bitrate and stuff like that. So it's pretty easy to find, just under settings and then output. There you go. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I will get to you as soon as possible. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more streamer support videos and also indie game let's plays. And I will see you in my next video, guys. Thank you for watching and bye!